Dear students, once again I am going to teach English language for class 7, chapter 2, the noun case. The noun case. Do you know what is a noun? A noun is a name of a person, place, thing, animal, or an idea. This is the definition of noun. Now, what is a case? Definition: the relation in which a noun stands to some other words in a sentence is called the case. There are mainly three cases. First one is nominative case or subjective case. Second, objective case or accusative case. Third, possessive case or genitive case. Let us know about the cases. First one, nominative case or subjective case. Definition: a noun or a pronoun that works as a subject of a verb in a sentence is said to be in the nominative case or subjective case. For example, the deer ran into the forest. Who ran? The deer. Here, the deer is in nominative case or subjunctive case to the verb ran. Second example, Krishna went to Varanasi. Who went to Varanasi? Krishna. So here Krishna is nominative case or subjunctive case to the verb went. Now, when we ask question who or what, then we get answer to the subjective case or to the nominative case. Now, second one is objective case or accusative case. Definition: a noun or pronoun that works as an object of a verb in a sentence is said to be in the objective case or accusative case. For example, the police arrested the thief. So here the thief is in the objective case to the verb arrested. Whom did the police arrest? The thief. Second, he bought a digital watch. What did he buy? A digital watch. So digital watch is in the objective case or accusative case to the verb bought. Now another example, he broke the window. What did he break? The window. So here the window is the objective case to the verb broke. In objective case, when a question is asked whom or what, we get the answer to the object of a verb. Now third one is possessive case. Definition: a noun or a pronoun used to show possession is said to be in the possessive case. Ownership or belongs to the person. Example: this is Rama's book. Whose book? Rama's book. So Rama's is the possessive case. Second, is that your brother's bat? Whose bat? Brother's bat. Third, Gopal's brother is a famous doctor. So whose brother? Gopal's brother. A noun in the possessive case answer the question whose. Now let us see the formation of the possessive case of nouns. First point, with the singular noun, possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe s to the noun. Rama's book, the boy's pen. Second, with the plural noun, possessive case is formed by adding only apostrophe to the noun. Example, boys' hostel. Second, girls' school. Third point, when a plural noun does not end in s, Possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe s. Example, women's club. Second, children's playbook. Now, use of the possessive case of nouns. First point. Possessive case is used mainly with living things and not with non-living things, as Ravi's cricket bat, mother's shawl. So here Ravi is living person, mother also is a living person. But we can't say table's leg, but it is said that leg of the table. Another one, house's roof, but we say the roof of the house. First point, it is used with nouns denoting time, space or weight, as a day's march or a week's holiday. Second, it can also be used with personified objects as nature's law or India's heroes. Third point, in compound nouns, apostrophe s is added to the last term as father-in-law's health. So, dear students, you might have understood all about the noun cases. Thank you.